Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I know I'm a little bit late, but Happy New Year to all of you. This is my first video of the year, so I'm super excited, and my plan this year is definitely to upload more than I did last year, so hopefully we'll see how that goes, but again, that is definitely the plan. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video on the January Boxycharm subscription. So this is actually my third month getting them. I did actually make a video of them on the first one, but for the last one, unfortunately, I wasn't able to because it was around the holidays and there was just so much going on with school, work, so everything just got super hectic. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got in here. Great. Of course, I do already have an idea of some of the things that may be in here, so let's just go ahead and check it out and see what we got. First item that I got here is a Don't Despair Repair. It's a strength and moisturizer leave-in mask. Let's go ahead and smell it. It smells really good. Definitely plan on spraying this in my hair. Well, let's see. It smells really good, very fruity. So the next item, which I've been seeing a lot on Instagram, is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette. This is actually my first Tarte product, so yay to Boxycharm. This is gorgeous right here. Open it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my makeup as I go, as I open the item. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start, I guess, with my eyeshadow. And start by priming my eyes with the ultimate favorite, the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. These right here are very shimmery. I'm going to start by spraying the brush. Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This is super cute. I really thought this was a lip gloss at first. Got the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, which right now I'm not able to use on my skin because I'm actually using some medication to clear up my skin a little bit more, so I'm not able to use it, but I definitely plan on using it. And one more product. This one that I got is the Bite Beauty Lipstick. Not sure what color this is, so let's go ahead and check it out. How pretty. This is gorgeous. spritzer color. Definitely not the color I would go for. Let's swatch it right here. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and continue on with the makeup. So next I'm going to be using the Lancome eyeliner in the color Ebony Black, which as you can see I have been using a lot and definitely need to replace it soon. For my concealer I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Tan, which honestly this, other than the Makeup Revolution, has been my favorite concealer of all time. Definitely one of the top 3. Speaking of Makeup Revolution, I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit around the Maybelline Fit Me one. Mascara under my lower lash line. And that same Tarte palette for the inner tear duct. So next I'm going to be using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Cold Brew. What lipstick to wear? So I definitely think I want to stay nude, so I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Matte Lip Cream in the color Berlin. Guys, so this is the final look right here. So the look came out a lot better than I expected, especially the eyeshadow, because after I put it on I was just not too crazy about it. Okay, so that is it for today. So overall I am definitely satisfied with all the things that I got, being the hair mask, which I am super obsessed with. It smells so good, along with the Tarte eyeshadow palette as well. Now the lipstick I wasn't too crazy about. That it's definitely not something I can ever see myself wearing. The color is just too outrageous for me. Overall, you know, I did do a 3-month subscription with the Boxycharm, and you know, I just wanted to try it out and see if it was even worth the money. This is definitely a subscription I plan on keeping because it is definitely for sure worth the money, especially with the amount of products that I am getting them off, and I am using all the products. If not every day, definitely for sure every other day. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!